Hey, Tony.
Yes.
Say hi to YouTube.
Hello, Turbo. Turbo Gang.
So, what we doing today?
Apparently, my wife likes to buy junk.
Hey!
No. Because
Hey.
you gave me shit about the other one. So, literally, you go and buy the same car, same year, same rims, everything.
I was jealous of your junk. But mine's not junk.
We don't even know if it runs.
Oh, it's a Honda.
Don't even know if it runs.
Luckily for me, I know a master mechanic.
Really?
Hashtag painter.
Really?
Hashtag can fix anything.
Really? Can I meet this guy? Because, fuck.
When was the last time you looked in the mirror?
That's not me, bro. I'm lucky. I slide through things.
You could do anything.
Yo, I really left my lighter, dog. Oh, it's gonna be a long trip. Long trip. So yeah, my wife decided it was a good idea to buy the same car, same year, same model. It's even a coupe, like the other one that we just finished. Literally spitting image of the other car.
It's a completely different color.
It's black.
Exactly. Completely different color.
I don't know if the rims they're the same rims that came with the other one that I'm going to use for the EP3. So she's like, I think those are either red or pink. Couldn't tell by the picture, but.
Well, they're not going to stay that way because.
And where did we buy this car?
Copart.
Copart. Where is it in Copart?
New York.
What part of New York?
Upstate.
Perfect.
Listen, road trip.
Yeah.
You're fine.
You know, you're lucky I love you because I was going to paint my EP3 today. Parts. My wife's like, no, I'll put that to the side. Got something better for you to do. Go get my car.
We're off on an adventure.
Yeah, we're on an adventure, alright. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. We'll let you see what we see when we go get it. I don't know what it's gonna look like, but
it's gonna be beauteous.
And one of my subscribers, he put it out there. Yes, I am restoring a Honda Del Sol. You ruined it, man. You ruined it.
Yeah, but you know what? That thing's gonna be fire when
I haven't
it's done.
even dropped the video, and I forgot that car's parked right there. They're like, oh, what is that? Is that a Del Sol? What's going on? Are you restoring that? Yes. So, the goal is to finish up the EP3. We'd really like to take that to Honda Fest next year. I won't put it in a car show because it's nothing spectacular. It's just a Honda, but we'll have a custom paint job. Be nice to just be there with the cars. My wife's gonna take her car. We don't really show your car in this channel. We should show it, huh?
Yeah, she purty. I mean, she old, but she purty.
Yeah, she only got 100K on it.
She shines up nice.
So, how many miles does your new car have?
161,000.
161,000.
So, it's a teenager. Let's hope it doesn't have an attitude like your average teenager.
Well, it says run and drive, but in Copart, those are fairy tales. Oh shit, you know what I realized? We didn't bring a bungee cord.
Tie down the hood?
Yeah, because, you know, the latch, it's not there. There's no latch on it.
Well, shoot.
Figure something out.
Strap that bitch down. Put a strap over the top of the car.
No, won't do that. Dent it. I'll put it from the hook part. I'll put a strap hook from that part and pull it down. You don't want it coming back and smashing the windshield. And now you got to spend $300 on the windshield. So, why'd you buy this one?
My spidey senses were telling me it was a good deal.
buddy Lewis, and he's like, I want it. I was like, you want everything. I was like, you got your truck, you're fine. Because I'm sure, like, this, we're going to probably buy, you know, when we buy more, he's going to be like, I want that one too. And that one. That one and that one. I want that one too.
I don't know where he's gonna park all these cars if he buys them all from us.
I gotta think. So the Honda Del Sol is gonna be a full restoration, and not gonna lie, if it happens, I don't know if it'll happen, but if it does happen, I think the next cool build for Honda, because I think we're getting good luck with the Honda. So, and I'm a big Honda fan. Love Honda. Very reliable. Parts are dirt cheap. Even under these fucking tariffs, they're still cheap. I'm thinking like an S2K for the next build.
That's great.
Do you know what that is?
I have no idea what that is.
That is Honda's very famous convertible S2000. You ever seen the first Fast and the Furious movie? The Chinese guy was driving a black one. When he told Jesse not to race him.
Hey, visualize the win, Jesse. I'm serious. You gotta listen to me, man. Who are you racing?
Jesse, don't do it. I bet you he's got more than 100 grand under the hood of that car.
Uh-huh.
I'll show you what that is. Very, if we do get one, I don't know when, but eventually we will get one.
Okay.
It's rear wheel drive, manual.
Let's just not forget, your wife wants good old American muscle.
Oh yeah, we're gonna.
You know?
Yeah, you want a old school 67, right?
Yeah, 66, 67.
You want a Mustang. That's gonna be a fucking.
That's gonna be a 5-year project. Let's be real.
Yeah. Unless we get something that's almost done, and it's just, you know, working out the kinks and shit. You never know what you're gonna find, and I think in 2026 we're gonna hit the Great Depression. So, if our money's there, that'll be the time to buy it.
Touche.
Because people are going to be giving away shit damn near almost free because they got to pay their bills. Well, a lot of people are not even paying their bills anymore. I just gave up. That's the economy that we're in. But we're staying positive. We're not becoming depressed. Because a lot of people I know are like wicked depressed. Like, you know, it is hard not to be. But we're going to be fine. Alright guys, stay tuned. We'll show you what we see when we get there.
Alright, YouTube. Peace.
Alright guys, so we just left Copart. You see we're still here. We're over there in New York, Newburgh. This is the car. It's actually not bad. I thought this thing was going to be rusty to shit. It's not. It looks just like the other car with the ribs. Look, see? Yeah, we got a dent here, which I didn't see that in the video, in the pictures, but whatever. Missing wing or some sort of here. You know, no free rides, gas or ass. You know, no rust. So far, I haven't seen no rust.
There's one spot
Oh, right
here.
here. Oh, I can fix that.
And then there's one spot down here on the other side.
Oh, little dent there, ding there. Oh wait, I see something. Pop that hood.
I know, there's something special on the inside. I'm thinking it might be, I might have found gold.
That says JDM Speed. What is that?
All right, you ready?
Don't start it. Just pop the hood.
I can't.
Oh, is it broken?
Well, no, it's just
Oh, it's missing the hood thing. See? It's broken off. So I'll have to fix that somehow. Alright, you have an oil leak. Alright, let's check the oil. Hold that. It's recording. Doesn't have the thing either, huh? I think I might have a spare one at home. It's saying it's got too much oil. That's not good. Yeah, it's saying it got too much oil, bro. That's not good. Alright, we'll try to start it, but it doesn't look promising, I'll tell you that. Because if they put too much oil, that means they ran low out of oil. And they just put too much, so we haven't jumped it. We had to tie down that bumper. Battery dead. Yeah, battery dead. What?
All right.
Other side.
I guess this is where we find out whether it's trash or treasure, huh?
Yeah.
Well, now instead of Tony in his junk, it's Brenda in the junk.
You picked this one. Ugh. Let's see how you did. Ready?
Seti.
You did good, kid.
I did good. Yay! Oh, she sounds nice,
Why?
right?
Because it's got too much oil in it. It's not good for it. And then we gotta tie this hood down. You did good.
All right, thanks you two.
We'll see you when we get to the house. All right, so we got it home. Found the wing in the bump in the trunk. So found the wing, found some of the trim that was missing. That needs to be painted. A little bit of rust here. Found some in trim here. Found the latch there. It runs, it drives, it goes in reverse, it goes forward, it goes back. Yeah, I have that already. Why would you put a spacer on here? That's fucking retarded. But yeah, we're gonna delete that. That's fucking stupid. You know, just some trim. AC don't work, heat work. Got a little leak right there in the manifold or catalytic converter. Missing the brackets here. Yeah. That's why they put this. Brakes are new, rotors are new. Definitely needs a clean job, some mats, steering wheel cover. Got a dent right here. So not as big as that one was. This one's about to leave soon. This one's sold. Gotta go. But yeah, this one needs a little bit more cosmetic work, really more than mechanic work. So we'll get the AC fixed. We will get it running and looking way better than it looks now. So yeah, what do you guys think? Paint or wrap? Paint, right? Yeah. Now I'm gonna go mess with my wife. She's over there losing her mind. So, what do you think of your junk?
Like my junk. My junk is not junk.
It's not. Oh, this one's not junk, right? But that one was junk.
I was confused.
You're confused?
Yeah.
Dude, this is... We need to get like a parking lot or something. Look at all these cars we have. Well, this one's going to be on the back burner for now because we need to start her truck. So that's going to be priority. But we will start accumulating parts and getting it where it needs to be. So stay tuned, guys, for the new Honda Civic 8th Gen restoration. The new one, because you know she had to get the one with the same color, same car, same year, same rims. But this one actually has a title and keys, so yeah, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Love these damn cars, man. Love these damn cars. Yeah, I got a big crack in the bumper, so they hit something. So we'll repair that, fix that. You're gonna paint this one, or you want me to paint it?
I don't know.
Alright, guys, comment down below what you think we should do with this thing. Alright, Tony out.